We love you, NW.
I've been doing all my stuff, living with my big bruh. Hot. Let me pop my shit. Let me pop my shit. Pop. Let me pop my shit. Let me pop my shit. Let me pop my shit. Pop. Let me pop my shit. Let me pop my shit. Bouncing out like Ludacris. Getting all my blessings, yeah. Pray to God I give. Living all my life. People hate the way I live. Wake up every day. It's a blessing, it's a gift. Gotta be like God, I don't care what you did. Yeah, I forgive. I was so down bad. How can I forget? All that lustful to the brain. Fuck, I can't resist. Digging out my grave and do a front flip up in this bitch. Stomach turning, all the internet gonna make me sick. People doubting me. Rotten guts, people really hating. On my own, pray to God I make it. For real. Going insane, yeah, I'm gonna break shit. All these snakes in the grass, people really faking. Homie scared up on the mission, ain't seen shit before. I be tweaking in my head, big brother say calm down, little bro. I be trying to keep my head straight, trying to chase my goals. I ain't no goofy ass clown trying to show off my pole. Wasting all your time on TikTok, yeah, you do the scroll. They turn to God, they turn to voodoo, why they sell their soul. I was a good kid up in school, I used to get on a roll. My thoughts take me to a dark place, to a damn black hole. Walking up the hill, y'all. Vlog right here. It's me and my boy Justin. Couldn't bring the GoPros charging, so we're just using our phones. I think it would be the best decision to use our phones for now. I mean, yeah, the quality ain't that great, but hey, y'all can still see. Pretty soon, we're gonna get go up here and just do like more content. See what we could do. Construction site. Hey! Might not know. Hey! Walking on the trail right now. Bitch ass dude. Annoying ass nigga. Look, y'all. Just walking on the trail. Look at this view, y'all. It's the end of the trail.
Let's go, man.
Crane.
Watch our bike, man. It's like fucking road and shit, man.
That's a big ass crane.
Anybody here?
We were just all the way at the bottom. Now we on top. Walking still.
Hey, son.
We're up there.
Hey, Smoke. Can no rain.
What is that?
Yeah, it's oil for the church.
Thought it was a fucking murder crime.
So we're chilling. That's what I'm saying. There's no trespassing. We're just walking the dog.
What the dog doing?
We out here, y'all. Just chilling with my boy Ace. Holy shit. All this dirt. Yeah. Well, look at this view, y'all. It's amazing. Going up here.
Wait, calm it down. Calm, hey. Calm down, nigga.
Like, might not look real far up, but hey, we're pretty far up. Yeah. Party down there and stuff. So that stuff. It's pretty much
Am I getting the camera view back?
we all over here.
Am I getting the camera view back?
Camera?
On my phone, am I getting direct?
Oh yeah.
What the fuck is wrong with the cameras, man? Show the angles right.
Look at all this stuff, y'all. There's a wall right here. Be safe. Got to.
No. Hold on, man. Shovels and stuff. I guess we're going up because, see, up here, we were right here, now we have to go up, go all the way. All these boxes, y'all. My boy.
Gotta be like God, I don't care what you did, yeah, I forget. Real, I was so down bad, how can I forget? All that lustful to the brain, fuck, I can't resist. Digging out my grave and do it from